Welcome, fellow automotive enthusiasts, to a deep dive into the dynamic world of automotive diagnostics. Today, we embark on an exhilarating journey as we meticulously dissect and compare two titans in the field, the Launch CRP919E and the Thinkdiag. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a thrilling adventure through the realms of functionality and performance. Let's kick things off with a burning question. Can the Thinkdiag truly match up to the multifaceted capabilities of the Launch CRP919E? It's a question that ignites curiosity and demands exploration. So, let's delve into the intricacies of these two remarkable tools. First up, the Thinkdiag. Picture a toolbox overflowing with an impressive arsenal of services designed to cater to every automotive need. From the fundamental oil reset service to the precision of steering angle calibration and the complexity of Diesel Particulate Filter, DPF, Regeneration to the finesse of Injector Matching, the Thinkdiag leaves no stone unturned. With a staggering 16 service functions under its belt, it stands as a testament to innovation and versatility in automotive diagnostics. Now, let's turn our attention to the Launch CRP919E. While it may not boast the same extensive list of services as the Thinkdiag, don't be fooled by its seemingly modest offerings. The Launch CRP919E exudes confidence with its own impressive repertoire of functions. From the essential steering angle reset to the crucial ABS bleeding, and from throttle matching to gearbox learning, this device commands attention with its robust capabilities. But the comparison doesn't end there. Let's take a closer look at what sets these two devices apart. Thinkdiag may shine with its extensive service list, but the Launch CRP919E steps into the spotlight with its advanced hardware support for CAN-FD and DUIP protocols, catering to the demands of modern vehicles. It's a testament to Launch's commitment to staying ahead of the curve in automotive technology. Moreover, the Launch CRP919E offers a unique advantage with its access to FCA AutoAuth, providing users with unparalleled control and insight into their vehicle's inner workings. And let's not forget the convenience factor. When using the CRP919E to scan a code, it goes the extra mile by including the name of the module where the code originated, streamlining the troubleshooting process like never before. However, it's essential to consider the finer details. While the Thinkdiag may offer a comprehensive suite of services, it lacks a built-in screen, requiring users to pair it with an Android phone or tablet for operation. And although there is an iOS app available, coding functionalities are not supported on this platform, limiting its versatility in certain scenarios. So, which device reigns supreme? The answer lies in your unique requirements and preferences. If you crave a tool with a diverse range of services and don't mind utilizing an external screen, the Thinkdiag may be the perfect companion for your automotive endeavors. However, if you prioritize advanced hardware support and the convenience of FCA AutoAuth access, then the Launch CRP919E emerges as a formidable contender. Before we conclude our expedition into the realm of automotive diagnostics, I urge you to hit that like button if you found this comparison insightful, and don't forget to subscribe for more captivating content like this in the future. Now, armed with newfound knowledge, venture forth with confidence into the world of automotive diagnostics, and may your journeys be filled with success and discovery.